All right, so if your Pika AI videos don't look that great yet, yeah, it's probably your prompts. In this video, I'll show you the best prompts you can use to create high-quality videos. First, quick idea. Your results depend heavily on how you write your prompts. A simple structure you can follow is scene, style, lighting, and motion. Let's start with a cinematic prompt. A cinematic shot of a futuristic city at night with neon lights, soft glow, and smooth camera movement. Next, nature visuals. A peaceful mountain landscape during sunrise with warm lighting and slow camera motion. For product videos, you can use something like a clean product showcase with a minimal background, soft lighting, and smooth rotation. For short form content, try something fast paced and eye catching with dynamic motion and bright visuals. You can also create story based scenes like a dramatic scene of a person walking through a rainy city with cinematic lighting. But yeah, don't just copy prompts, try to mix and customize them based on your idea. Also, test different variations of the same prompt. Small changes can give very different results. So yeah, once you understand prompts, your Pika AI videos will instantly improve. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More AI prompt guides coming soon. All right, so